Hi guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're making a CD. So we're going to go ahead and just delete our default cube. And we'll go ahead and add a circle, scale it upwards. And then we're going to go on to edit mode, press F. And then we go E for extrude, don't move it, scale inwards. Just so about here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of the face that we've just made on the back right here. It should be just under here somewhere. We'll get rid of this first. We'll press delete, faces, and then we can select this face, press delete, faces. So with CDs, what we're going to want to do, we'll take these edges that we've just made, shift control, just select them all, scale outwards. And then what we can do is we can go with E for extrude, keep it where it is, scale inwards, just so about here, and then E for extrude, keep it where it is, scale inwards, just so about here. Now I'm just going to take these faces and just make them a little bit more wider. Just scale it up. So this is going to be the centre of the CD. And I'm just going to pull these faces downwards a little bit. So, shift control. Just scale inwards. So, what we want to do with this is we want, I think it's 2 different textures that we're going to want. And then we're going to want one on the back as well, so obviously 3. Click new. This will be the main material, so we're going to go with label for this one. Or actually we could go with the plastic, which is going to be see-through. So what we want to do is go on to glass, and then we're going to go take the roughness down. Make sure that your render engine is on cycles. Let's see what this looks like when rendered. So this should be our glass right here. Let's take that down just slightly. So now we've got this shiny surface going on. So what you want to do is take these faces right here. This is going to be the label. So we're going to go plus with this one with new. We'll put label on this. Now we're going to have to edit this on the back. Label. So I'll just put lab for the moment. Make this blue, a sign. So now we've got this nice little kind of CD look to it. So edit mode, press A to select everything, E to extrude, and just extrude it just slightly. So we've got this nice little base going around the edge. Now underneath you're going to want to select all of this that you've just placed as label, and we're going to make this as mirror. So press plus, new, and this will be mirror. Click assign, and then we're going to go to metallic, bring it all the way up, and bring your roughness down. So that would be our basic CD. Now it doesn't look like much at the moment. I'm just going to go back to object mode and then shade smooth, and hopefully, yeah, that looks great. So you can add little labels on here as well and some text if you want to. So let's go ahead and add some text. So let's see, edit mode. I'm just going to type in make me, make me in CGI. I can't see anything. Hold on, I'm just going to move this up. Let's go in CGI, and then maybe I'll put like a little drop just there. Take this text right here, your texture, we could place it, this is black, and then we could press G, bring this down all the way to the CD edge. Oops. Scale this up just a little bit. I noticed that it's got a shadow. We're not quite at the CD. So we could go just there. And that is roughly our CD that we can use in any project for a prop or whatever it is. Yeah, I would definitely pull this in just a little bit, I think. The CD that I've got's got quite a small rim around this side, but if you want this a little bit bigger, you could just pull that in. Yeah, that's it, practically. I'll see you guys in the next one. I did notice something, though. There's a lot of you that aren't subscribed, and if you watch my videos all the time, could you please just do me a little favour? Just hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it really, really helps me to make these tutorials and gets my stuff out there. Yeah, so I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later. Bye.